In the endless frozen dark beyond our solar system, where the sun is just another star in a tapestry of billions, a lone traveler journeys onward. This is the realm of interstellar space, a void so vast and so cold it defies human comprehension. And through this silent ocean sails a relic of human ambition, a ghost from a world it will never see again. This is the story of Voyager 2. Launched in the late summer of 1977, it was one of a pair of probes sent to explore the outer giants of our celestial neighborhood. A mission of discovery, a message in a bottle cast into the cosmic sea. For over 4 decades, it has faithfully executed its grand tour, painting breathtaking portraits of worlds we once only dreamed of. Jupiter's swirling, violent storms, Saturn's majestic rings, a celestial halo of ice and dust, Uranus, the tilted turquoise giant, and Neptune, the distant, windswept king of the outer dark. Each flyby was a triumph, a testament to human ingenuity. Voyager 2 became our most distant emissary, pushing the boundaries of exploration further than ever before. In 2018, it achieved the seemingly impossible. It crossed the heliopause, the turbulent boundary where the sun's solar wind gives way to the interstellar medium. It had officially left home. The familiar hum of our star's influence faded, replaced by the ancient, unfiltered whispers of the galaxy itself. Now it drifts alone, a 480-kilogram machine, more than 19 billion kilometers from the pale blue dot it once called home. Its journey was supposed to continue in silence, its power slowly fading, its instruments eventually falling dormant, destined to wander the Milky Way for eons. But the universe, it seems, had other plans. In the profound silence of interstellar space, something answered. Imagine the scene. A quiet control room in the dead of night, at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Scientists, accustomed to the faint, predictable hiss of data from the far-flung probe, lean closer to their screens. The familiar background static, the cosmic microwave background radiation, begins to shift. It's subtle at first, a flicker in the noise, easily dismissed as an anomaly, a solar flare from a distant, unknown star. But it doesn't stop. The flicker solidifies. It coalesces into a pattern. Faint, rhythmic bursts begin to punctuate the data stream, pulsing through the static like a heartbeat in the void. This isn't random noise. Randomness doesn't repeat. It doesn't organize itself. A wave of hushed excitement and palpable tension washes over the room. Decades of listening to the cosmos, and this is the moment every radio astronomer both dreams of and dreads. The signal is weak, barely a whisper across billions of kilometers, but it is undeniably structured. The team scrambles, diverting resources, pointing other deep space network antennas toward Voyager 2's patch of sky, desperate to confirm what they're seeing. The data floods in, and the patterns are confirmed. It's not a glitch. It's not a natural phenomenon they recognize. The bursts arrive in repeating sequences, complex and layered. There are prime numbers, mathematical constants embedded within the structure. It's a language. On computer screens, the signal is visualized. Green waveforms spike and fall with an unnatural precision. Spectrograms show organized blocks of frequency, highlighted in bright colors against the dark background of space. It's a signal designed to be found, a beacon lit in the interstellar darkness. The initial thrill gives way to a chilling realization. The signal isn't just intelligent, it's local to Voyager 2. It's not a broadcast from a distant star system. It's something out there, right alongside our probe. A new directive is sent across the globe to the world's most powerful observatories. Telescopes, both on the ground and in orbit, pivot to stare at that one, infinitesimally small point in the sky. Can they see anything? The distance is staggering. Trying to spot an object near Voyager 2 is like trying to find a microbe on a football field from a geosynchronous orbit. But they have to try. The implications are too immense to ignore. As the data from the signal is painstakingly decoded, a sense of profound unease settles in. This isn't a greeting. It isn't the simple, elegant message of peace that humanity itself sent out with Voyager on its golden record. The patterns are complex, aggressive, almost like a form of interrogation or a scan. It's as if something is probing Voyager 2, trying to understand it, to dissect its purpose and its origin. The friendly handshake we extended to the universe is being met with a cold, analytical grip. Then the visuals arrive. Faint, grainy, but unmistakable. The Hubble, pushing its optics to their absolute limit, captures something. A shadow. A distortion in the light from the stars behind Voyager 2. It's not an asteroid, not a comet. It's moving. It's not drifting on a ballistic trajectory. It is maneuvering. It maintains a constant, deliberate distance from the probe, matching its velocity of over 55,000 kilometers per hour. It's pacing our emissary, tracking it, hunting it. Cinematic renderings based on the telemetry paint a terrifying picture. In the pitch black of deep space, our little probe, a symbol of our hope and curiosity, is no longer alone. A vast, non-reflective shape, a void against the star field, glides silently beside it. We see slow zooms on Voyager's high-gain antenna, and for a split second, a glint of something that isn't starlight reflects off its golden surface. The shadow shifts, revealing a brief, impossible geometry, something clearly artificial and utterly alien. The emotional weight of this moment is crushing. Voyager 2 ceases to be just a machine. For 40 years, it was an extension of our senses, our eyes and ears in the cosmos. Now, it has become something more. It has become a witness. Our first, and perhaps last, witness to the truth we've always sought. We are not alone, and the neighbors are not what we expected. The probe, designed for exploration, has inadvertently become a lure, leading something unknown right back to our doorstep. The final images are haunting. We pull back, leaving Voyager 2 and its silent companion to continue their journey into the unknown. The probe's antenna seems to glow with an ethereal light, as if resonating with the signal it's receiving, forever changed by the encounter. The vast, dark object continues its silent pursuit, a patient predator in the cosmic dark. The golden record, with its sounds of Earth, its music, and its greetings in 55 languages, is still on board. A message of peace, now carried into the darkness as potential evidence for an unknown tribunal. What does it want? Why is it there? Is this first contact? Or is it a warning? The questions hang in the infinite blackness, unanswered. And our tiny brave explorer, Voyager 2, continues to fly on, carrying not just the story of humanity, but a terrifying new secret, deeper into the great, silent, and suddenly very crowded, dark. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the unknown. If you were captivated by this story, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more deep dives into the mysteries of our universe. We'd love to hear your theories in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up.